Real yard man. Yeah, yard man, don't. Respect. I want to hear. I respect and love man to all Jamaica, no matter where in the world. One eye, like I own you. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. I have Jamaican walk, them here Jamaican talk, cause I am a Jamaican. Them here Jamaican chat, them say Jamaican bop, cause I am a Jamaican. Now everywhere in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. And no ID I will have to show, cause I am a Jamaican.
True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so you don't know me up on the farm this morning. Yeah man, a lot of people look on Ghetto Youth in a one different way. So yes, me Ghetto Youth, you only can do. Just go raise 2 goats and plant some pumpkin and corn. Anything you want to plant. We have a lot of lands around us in Jamaica. So I want to get up and show the people them say yeah, you can make it out of life through farming. So big up on yourself, coming straight out from Fire Reid. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So I give you a tour. I'm looking farm. Start out with I have a little small goat farm, but I start very small. And you can see the increase of starting from 2 goats, a female and a male. So keep on watching True Jamaican Vibes. Big up all of the farmer them, big up all of the Ghetto Youth them, straight out of Jamaica, you know. Blessings. Yeah man, you can see them ready for them feeding you now in the morning. So more time I kind of plant different crops, pumpkin, corn, anything I feel like to plant it, and when we can't get in the market or so, we use them and also feed the animal them. So yes, some people. So sometimes I farm a lot of corn because you know, as a farmer, you just can't really sit down at times and depend upon where I get grass for my time. Sometimes I put in the work. Just put in the work. Yeah man, so I have to plant and look at grass same way and plant how they can plant so the goat them can survive same way, you know? Yeah man. So yes, some people, as we can tell, them love eat the corn. Yeah man, so the corn trash. Yeah man, them love eat the corn trash, so if they can plant no corn, Still I get corn out of it same way, you know. So meantime, plant on the corn, you can reap on the corn and use the corn trash and feed the goat them. So it's a part of investment. Yeah man, so it's a part of investment. So a lot of people feel like say yeah, them just are going to farming just to make some money. Yeah, if you make the money, you have to love farming also. You have to love what you do and put in the work. As I get to you out, I show you how I go on. I know sweet boy thing. So big up on yourself and people who watch the channel. And remember if you like up the channel and share it, you know. Yeah man, so there's a message me I send to the Ghetto Youth say yeah, we can do a lot of things in Jamaica on the farm. Yeah, me they look on Ghetto Youth differently. I put in the work in some farming and I do other things. I don't have to really say nothing. But big up on yourself, youth. Big up all of the farmer them, you know. So yes people, so sanitization is very important when you're on the farm. As you can see, you feed them already and you can see them mess it up and stuff. So you always make sure so no clean out the pan and them drink them water in. Yeah man, so I clean out the feeding chaff. So normally I use the crack corn as a feeder. Yeah man, so I also use the crack corn. So normally when them finish eat, I always full up them pen with grass. So they have during the day, them can have some grass to eat. So I love farming, and farming, when I'm on the farm, it just give me a different meditation, give me a different feelings. So yes, me get a youth, I'm just going to the farming, just put something on the land. Any idea when I will see the benefit of it. Yeah man, so same time right up on the farm, can pick a jelly and drink, you know. So nothing like country life same way up on the farm, you know. You might know, so you have a coconut cheap on the farm same way. Pick a jelly and drink, you know. One pull and I hit that, is it? You might know say coconut water good for your heart. Lot of health benefit, you know. You might have to make sure so the machine sharp, you know. And if you come on Fire Reid farm and enjoy yourself, get a youth farm, you know. See it there? telling my people. So refreshing. Fresh coconut in the morning. All your lime missing, you know. So big up on yourself, you know. So yes, I'm get a youth. Just pick up a fork and the hoe and the machete and just go till the side, you know. Just go till the side and show them say yeah, we can make it in life. We don't have to be no doctor, we don't have to be no fireman, we don't have to be no soldier, we don't have to be no police. Just a get a youth up on the farm. We are survivors in Jamaica because everybody can do the same thing. So we just have to do something different. Just think about it. Everybody can work in the bank. Everybody can be police. So we don't want to know ground food to eat and no meat kind. Yeah man, have check out the farmer them. So big up all the farmer them, big up on yourself, anyone of them over the world. Blessings from Fire Reid, you know. Yeah man, so we can keep on watching. We are taking over to the pumpkin farm same way as I get a youth. Plant some pumpkin. I show you the pumpkin just plant. Just get up man and plant something. I show you the size pumpkin and how them look. And pumpkin always survive in a dry weather also. A lot of persons are worried about waters and stuff. Pumpkin can survive under a bit of dry weather, so keep on watching. Yeah man, so I have a pumpkin here. Yeah man, you got them. I love the pumpkin. Yeah, so normally I just chop up the pumpkin them. Yeah man, and give the goat. So normally this come off my pumpkin farm same way. A lot of waste pumpkin and stuff, so still help me out. Help me save a lot same way. If you don't buy no popcorn, just give them some pumpkin on a regular basis same way. So just keep on watching. So I'm gonna take you all over to the pumpkin farm. Enjoy it. True Jamaican Vibes with Fire Reid and the farm. So yes, people, so on the farm, you make sure you drink up on the water. Yeah man, water is very important and water is also life, you know. Yeah, so I taking up on a journey with the pumpkin. And I say, just plant something at the hole and you'll see the benefit. So I show you up look a pumpkin farm same way. So you can keep on watching. Real Ghetto Youth, country life same way. Ghetto Youth can make it in a life, no matter where you be. Yeah man, Ghetto Youth can make it in a life. So no give up, just keep on fight through. Sometimes it may look dark. When you reach the tunnel, you feel like give up, but no give up. Fire Reid that tell you what can go on for no. Yeah man, so just farm something. Yeah man. As me say, you can plant a banana tree every day. And you can see how much banana you have for the year if you have the land space. Yeah man. Yeah, so keep on watching. Yeah man, so them place where me born and grow was destroyed by fire. Yeah man, so back in the days. So no matter what me face in life, you can see setbacks same way. Still not give up on life same way. Still a push on through and do my farming same way, you know. But a lot of persons, something happened to them in their life, them feel like give up. Farm up land so we can do some exporting. give our neighbors, friend. Yeah, cause a lot of persons around us, need just a helping hand. You just need a little push. So there's some people, if you need to help somebody and you can help them, just help them out. So this is some pumpkin seed. This is some dry pumpkin seed. Yeah, some dry pumpkin seed. Yeah man, so all I need to do is just dig a hole. Just dig a hole, man. So I have about 5 pumpkin seed. Normally I used to put like 4, but I put 5 because some of the time you find 3 of them germinate. So I use 5. So you just dig out the dirt and drop them on the side and cover it. And wait for a couple of days, like 3 days, see some farmer germination. So yeah, get out and just farm up land. Watch on them banana tree. Them plant from them small. So in a couple months time, so can start harvest my own banana and planting. Yeah, so keep on watching. I'm taking you to the pumpkin farm now and show you what I go up on the pumpkin farm. Tell you every day just plant a banana sucker straight out, be a banana. And here is the quality pumpkin. So I plant my pumpkin seed mostly green, because when you plant the pumpkin seed, green, you get a lot of different types of pumpkin. So I mix them, I plant them green and I also plant them dry. So I prefer to plant the green pumpkin because I will get a lot of variety of pumpkins. But some of the time you want to keep the strain of your own pumpkin, you're gonna plant them dry. So there's a lot of pumpkins. Yeah, so they must start to run off. So if you want to get some full bearing out of the pumpkin, I will show you a method how to get some full bearing out of the pumpkin. Alright, you see it around the vine, and also pumpkin a vine. Yeah man, so the pumpkin around on the vine. So all you need to do, hold the vine of the pumpkin. Yeah. Just hold the vine. And roll it around in a circle. Just roll it around and roll it around. Yeah, and roll it around, and that's it. So the vine are gonna just keep on running in a circle, and that is where you're gonna get a lot of growth in your pumpkins. So that's the next method. And normally pumpkin don't need a lot of rain. It can survive in the dry weather. You get few showers of rain, but pumpkin can survive in the dry weather also. And what I use to spray my pumpkin, I use neem leaf and also cayenne pepper. So the neem leaf, it's a very bitter substance, so you're gonna keep all away those bugs and worms. So I use neem leaf and also cayenne pepper. So normally I get the neem leaf, get a drum, and I put the neem leaf in the drum and also the cayenne pepper, and pour some water on it and leave it for a couple of days. And it's gonna get very bitter. So it's an organic way and it's the best way to go. So big up on yourself, Ghetto Youth. Big up everyone who are watching my channel. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. I'm just giving you an update. Normally You can check out the rest of my contents that I show different places in Jamaica. But farming, I love farming. I love what I do. So big up on yourself. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid.